Guten Tag, hier ist die Frau Walker, and in this video, I'm just going to very quickly take you through what Mastery Check 4 is going to look like. Something a little bit different than you're used to. This will be by yourself, without a partner. It's just you. And the reason I did that is because in this instance, I need everybody giving me a certain kind of answer. And if the other person were to play the other person, then they wouldn't have as much work to do. So I just decided to have this one be on your own, and we'll see how it goes. It is going to be very similar to the skit that you saw before, but it's going to be a bit one-sided in it. You're the person who's providing all of the reasons that you can not do something with your friend. So let's take a look at this here. It says, I can express my obligations regarding housework by explaining to my friend why I cannot visit them. So here's your prompt. Your friend has invited you for the weekend to visit, okay? You really want to go, but you've got too many things to do. You got to help at home, you got to do homework, all different kinds of things. So you call your friend up and you tell him why you can't come. And you need to include things that, well, you have to include these things. You have to decline the invitation, and you have to give 4 reasons why you can't come, and all 4 of those reasons have to be completely different. And then you're going to present that one-sided conversation to me at the Mastery Check table there. So you're going to start by greeting them. You're going to secondly decline their offer, and then you're going to give those 4 different reasons. I am looking for like SVIV sentences. I'm looking for the complete whole package. You can't just say ich muss Rasen mähen, Staubsaugen, and you have to say 4 complete whole sentences, okay? And then at the very end, before you say goodbye, you're going to thank your friend for the invitation. It's that simple. It seems really easy, but I'm looking for you to be able to do this without any resources at all, except for if you need to have a slide there, with pictures or something to help remind you, that's allowed. But absolutely no words, okay? I know that sometimes it's hard to remember things if you don't have something to remind you. Okay, so if you want to do a slide with some pictures, that's allowed, but you are not allowed to have any kind of writing on them at all. Alrighty, you don't have to have that though. It's up to you. If you've got other questions, please feel free to either email me or come talk to me when you see that I am not working with another student. Okay, viel Glück. Bis bald. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüssi.